was taught to put my losses in the lesson. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl LaTHRIFTY Simone, and I am here with another wig video. So if you want to see what wig I am reviewing next, then just stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see by the thumbnail, the hair is a straight, bone straight, lace front wig. I got the wig and it was 16 inches. Inches. I'm not exactly sure if it's true to length because it was kind of on the short 16-inch side. Now, I don't wear a lot of long hair, but it more so seemed like a 14-inch wig to me. Another thing to know about this hair is that it does have a lot of split ends. I did not wait for my hair to air dry. I went ahead and blow dried it myself, which I normally do anyways. But when I blow dried it, I noticed a lot of split ends. So definitely be cautious of that. The next thing that I want to tell you all about this wig is the parting space. The wig is a 13x4 parting space, and it's normally a 13x6 or a 13x4. This one was a 13x4, so you get a good amount of parting space. I decided to do a middle part, but you can free part it all the way around. The hair did not have a smell, the hair did not shed, and the hair did not tangle while I was conditioning it, so that is a plus. In the picture, it said that this was an 150 density wig. I don't necessarily agree with that. I don't know what density it is, but it didn't seem like it was 150. And I also feel like the hair wasn't full all the way down to the end. I could have cut the unit if I wanted to, but I wanted to just wear it straight out of the package just so that I could get an idea of what kind of hair it was so that I could tell you all about it. So I didn't cut it or anything, but if you're looking for more so like a natural wig, natural fullness, and this is definitely a great wig to purchase. I'm gonna leave the information down below as far as the pricing. The wig, this package, just the Amazon Prime package, because this is an Amazon unit, and then it came in a plastic baggie like this. So nothing special about the boxing at all. It had a wig cap inside of it as well. The wig is a pre-plucked wig, so I did not have to pluck the hairline at all. The hairline was really, really nice, actually. The hair is a natural black. Now, if you go in the sun, you're gonna see like some brown strands and stuff like that, but other than that, the hair is a natural black. And of course, you all want to know what hair company this is. This is a hair company that is located on Amazon, and it is called LSY. Just gonna show you all just a little bit about this here. Okay, now I have the wig here. This is the wig. I did not bleach any of the knots. I just colored it with my foundation because actually when I had tried the wig on, I tucked all of this hair to the back because this is a sewing. This is some different hair. I tucked all this hair to the back and put a cap on it so that I could try this one on and show you all. But this is the inside. It comes with your combs, your adjustable straps. And as you can see, oh, you can't really see. There's that parting space. I didn't put any concealer in the parting space. Like I said, I just colored this and it kind of worked out for me. It does come with some baby hairs at the front. I did not use those. I did not glue anything down, but it does come with them at the front. Okay, I'm gonna hope that stays and doesn't pop out because it just popped out. Customer service. Customer service was a breeze. The person that I was communicating with was really nice, really helpful. Didn't have any issues with that. Shipping was very fast. I got the wig. I think I ordered it on October. I got the wig like a week or so ago. So I don't remember what day I ordered it, but the shipping was fast. I wasn't waiting on it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I could tell y'all. I think that's really about it. Oh, I will say this as a disclaimer to all of the pictures that are on Amazon, all the pictures of hair companies. Do not judge the wig by the picture that they put on the site. Scroll down to those reviews, scroll down to see who bought the wig, scroll down to see what they said about the hair, because a lot of times those pictures are not what you're gonna get. Okay, so I will say that in all of my videos, please, please, please scroll down and look at the reviews, look at what the actual hair looks like, because I hate for you all to order something and then you be truly, truly disappointed because that's not what you thought you were gonna receive. When I first started researching this hair, I did go down into the comments. I did look to see what was said about the wig. I did look to see if there were any pictures that were on or that were available for me to look at. And based on the pictures that people uploaded, this is exactly what the wig looked like. I'm going to say that again. Based on what people said about the wig and what the pictures looked like, is this wig looks exactly like what they uploaded. Okay? So say that 5 times fast. Anyways, I'm gonna let you all go because now I am out of things to say. If you are not subscribed to this channel and you want to become one of my glitter babies, please subscribe to me. Drop a comment down below. I love to talk to you all. I love the feedback. If you're not following me on my social sites, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. I don't have anything else. I don't have Twitter, so you can't follow me on there, but you can definitely follow me on here by subscribing to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for tuning in. Share with your friends. Until next time, I'll see you later. Deuces. Thanks for watching.